All right, let's look at one of the most frustrating bits of algebra we've got, and that is piecewise functions. Okay, so piecewise as a word just means like bit by bit, something you put together bit by bit. So a piecewise function is several functions that exist together on the same coordinate plane. They don't make the same line, they make several different lines sort of scattered about the coordinate plane. That's the best I could figure out why it's called a piecewise function. Uh, Now let's just look at the first example. So it's got two inequalities that will be graphed on the same graph, and then it says evaluate for these 3 points. Now, usually when you evaluate for a point, all you do is take the number they give you and put it in for x and see what happens, right? But there's two equations, so we have to figure out which equation those points go into. So the way to read this is it's x squared when x is less than -1, and it's x plus 4 when x is greater than or equal to -1. So for all the numbers equal to and above -1, we use this equation. And for all the numbers less than -1, we use this one. I say equation, it's really a formula, whatever. Okay, so to evaluate f of -1, we see which graph it is. Is it less than? No. Is it equal to? Yes. -1 is equal to -1. So we use x plus 4. So -1 plus 4 equals 3. So this one equals 3. And then 1 plus, let's see, 1 is greater than -1. So we're going to use this one again. So 1 plus 4 is 5. We've got equals 5 right there. Get rid of that. And then -4, is it greater than -1? No, it is actually less than. It's less than -1, so we're going to use this x squared. So -4 squared is 16. So our answers are 3, 5, 3, 5, and 16. I'm just going to hold this up, see if I can get the glare off of it. Okay.